Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable dark mode in Pinterest. Well, Pinterest is the app we love the most when it comes to finding inspiration or ideas for our work or our interests. Alright? But it will be much better if we can enable our favorite dark mode in Pinterest. Alright, let's look at how we can enable dark mode in Pinterest. Just launch a Pinterest app like so. And from there, after you have logged into your account, just click on this avatar icon at the bottom right corner. Now there at the top right section, we have a gear icon. Let's select it. So here we have account management, right? We want to manage our account display behavior. So let's select it. And there is app theme option, which is currently set to system default. So if you want to change it to light or dark, currently which is what we're looking for, just select it. And there you are. Pinterest is in dark mode now. Now you know how to enable dark mode in Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding enabling dark mode in Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.